Good morning, my name is Craige Mott, Managing Director of Bluefish444, and we're here this morning from BroadcastAsia 2019 in Singapore. Bluefish444 is exhibiting here at the show our IngeSTore multi-channel capture software that comes bundled with all Bluefish Epoch video cards. We have a simulated live capture coming from a HDMI player and through one of our converters. We're simulating capturing live SDI, and at this point it's one stream of only. But IngeSTore can capture 4 simultaneous streams for ISO recording and other live production workflows. So one stream being captured in real time, uncompressed. We have a license called Blue Codec Pack that will let the user encode to QuickTime and MXF wrappers with various codecs, all the usual codecs that you would expect for broadcast and post-production. So we capture 4 channels and we can encode them to all the codecs. And then with another license called BlueRT, we can take the growing file and use Avid or Adobe and edit that growing file. So it becomes a genuine live production tool. We have an IngeSTore server appliance, which is a 3RU appliance with a 4-channel card in it, and it's been specified to encode in real time all the codecs that we support. It's got a 10 gig NIC on it, and the IngeSTore server, which is over here on our explanatory video at the moment, will connect directly to network attached storage via 10 gig E. So if you'd like to learn more about IngeSTore and you're already one of our 14,000 Epoch users out there, I would suggest just go to our website and download IngeSTore for free.